Requirement for making poster, tricolor poster, we need tricolor paper, white, saffron green, and we will cut the paper into square. First we will fold the paper and cut it. And make the paper square. All the papers are in square. We'll cut the paper like this. See, colors are there, equal size papers are there. First we will learn, and one paper is blue color. Take the one blue color paper, same size blue color, one piece blue paper. First we will see how this is a rough page. We will fold the paper from the center in the triangle shape. Again the second triangle. See the triangle shape paper. And see the last fold. Now see the paper. This is the correct fold. See all the center meeting on the center point. This is the correct fold. First fold, second, then third, then the last fourth. We will make the flower. Like this is a paper. We will cut the flower like this, arc here. See the arc. Now we will cut on the arc. We will open the page. This is the rough page. Like this. See the rough page. Now we will cut the edge, one piece here. See, we have cut the piece and we will join the paper. We will take the gum and we will stick the leaf like this. See, like this you will make the flower. Now see here, we have stick the paper on this leaf, one petal on each other. Like this we will make the flower of this paper. Okay, so here are some flowers are made. See, the flowers are here. Like this we will make the paper, and we will take the two pages, yellow page, any color you can take, whatever page you have in the house. This is the lockdown period, no market is open here, so we will whatever page we have in that home we will do on that paper. Like this we will stick the paper. The paper will make, we will get big page. Like this we will stick the page and leave it to dry. Now see here, and give the slogan here. I make the one banner for you, make the flowers like this and give the slogan, and take the star or the beads star, stick in the center of each flower as you like, wherever you want to stick the flowers, beads, and give on the border also with a Fevicol or the gum, whatever you have, stick it, give the border line and make the slogan, write the slogan and make the poster like this. Like this you will give the border with the stars, beads, gota, whatever you have at home, you can do the work. You can decorate the banner and write the slogan. Like this you will do the project work, making the poster and give the slogan to the banner. Like this you will do the stick the with a Fevicol, gum, whatever you have. Like this you will complete the slogan. Like this you will complete. Thank you for watching. Do at home. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me for video. Do share, like. Thank you for watching.